Hello, I welcome all of you on your own channel. That's Mudabbir's Biology Club. Today I shall be brief. I will be discussing only about two types of the fossils. First, we will see what are coprolites and what's their importance. And second, we will see another types of fossils which we call as palynofossils. There are many types of the fossils, but these two fossils are of very much importance with respect to your NEET examination, as sometimes you are asked in your NEET examination about these types of fossils. No doubt you can also be asked about other types of the fossils, but these questions regarding the coprolites and palynofossils, they are repeated over and again. That's why I will first of all deal with these types of the fossils. So now the question is, what are coprolites? If we analyze about coprolites, we say that coprolites are the fossils of fecal matter of the animals which lived in the past. So these are the fossils of these are the fossils of fecal matter fecal matter of animals. So coprolites are the fossils of fecal matter of animals which lived lived in past. So the first type of the fossils, that's the coprolites. These are the fossils of animals which lived in the fossils of the fecal matter of animals which lived in the past. Say somehow the fecal matter of an animal somehow got what we call as covered by some material like mud or some another material, like a carbonaceous layer got deposited around the fecal matter of an animal, and it got buried inside the rock, like sedimentary rock. And after millions and millions of years we are excavating this structure which contains the fecal matter, and this type of the this fossil which contains the fecal matter of the past animals, it is known as the coprolite, or these fossils are known as the coprolites. Now, what is the importance of these coprolites? By studying the coprolites, by examining the fecal matter of these animals, we can analyze, or we can guess, or we can rather predict what the animals of the past used to feed upon. As the fecal matter may be containing the components of the food which they used to digest during that very period. So, in nutshell, we say that coprolites or these fossils of the fecal matter of the animals which lived in the past on this planet, and by examining the coprolites we can clearly understand and we can clearly analyze what the animals in the past used to feed upon. So these are the first type of the fossils we are dealing over here. And the second type of the fossils we will deal in this lecture, they are the microfossils, which you also call as the palynofossils. So the second type of the fossils which I will discuss, they are microfossils. They can also be called as or palynofossils. So these are the second types of the fossils I am targeting over here. Now, microfossils are basically the fossils of microscopic these animals, are they are the fossils of the microscopic organisms, not necessarily only animals. They are the fossils of the microscopic animals or other organisms which lived on this earth in the ancient past. Or sometimes it's not necessary that the fossil may be of an this microscopic organism. The fossil may be definitely microscopic, but it may be a part of a larger organism. But the fossil is definitely microscopic. It may be a part of larger organism, but in itself the fossil is microscopic. For example, you will see the fossils of pollen grains, the fossils of pollen grain fossils. These fossils are the examples of palynofossils. So palynofossils simply are the fossils of the microscopic organisms, or the microscopic fossils of parts of other organisms which lived in the ancient past. By studying the microfossils, we can analyze and we can understand what types of microscopic organisms lived on this planet in the ancient past. Hope you have understood this lecture on microfossils and on the coprolites in detail. For other lectures, be updated on our channel. That's Mother's Biology Club. Do subscribe it and do get updated.